Rolling. Miss, wallet mo.
Glendy nga pala, a second-year communication student dito sa Bicol University. Tara, samahan niyo ako dito sa BU.
Okay na. Hindi ko nagagalawin ulo ko. The Bicol University is the premier state university in Bicol region. It was founded on June 21, 1969 through the passage of Republic Act number 5521. The university has its 4 core values or the 4 pillars: scholarship, leadership, character, and service.
Uy, nandyan ka na pala. Hinihintay lang naman kita rito sa tahanan ng matatalino, matatapang, talentado at magagaling. In short, sa tahanan ko. Ay, mali. Sa tahanan naming mga calibers.
Hoy, ba't ka nandito? Doon tayo sa bago, dali! Welcome to our mother college, the Bicol University College of Arts and Letters. Bicol offers quality academic programs in communication, our program, journalism, literature, English language, performing arts theater, and broadcasting.
These programs reflect dedication towards education and the vital role of arts, culture, language, and communication in our society.
What about our program? Anong meron sa communication? Ayun, may comm student, tara lapitan natin.
Curious kayo sa comm?
Over naman sa question. Shh! Ay, di pa nga ako nagtatanong.
Marami kaming ginagawa rito. We do filmmaking, scriptwriting, public speaking, video editing, at graphic designing. Marami pang iba. All-purpose flower kaya kami. This is our training ground bago namin pasukin ang media industry once we graduate.
At hindi lang sa media, no? We can be teachers, researchers, law practitioners, and more. Kaya nga sinasabi nila, broad ang comm.
So why did you choose comm?
Bakit ako nag-comm? Dahil magaling akong umarte. At nagagamit ko tong talent ko dahil sa short films, music video, role plays, and voice acting projects namin. Bakit ka ba nagagalit, Angel? Dahil feeling mo inaagaw ko sa'yo si Ivan? Angel, mas una ko siyang naging best friend bago mo siya naging boyfriend.
Nag-comm ako dahil mahilig akong gumawa ng kwento.
Storymaker!
Storyteller! FYI, dito sa comm, natuto ako ng tamang formatting ng script dahil sa film course namin.
Uy, bakit ka raw nag-comm?
Nag-comm ako kasi I like photography and videography. Tulad ng first year, nagkaroon kami ng art exhibit. At ngayong second year, tinuturuan kami ng mga editing software. Ang astig, di ba? Kaya hindi niyo talaga masasabing boring ang comm. Hindi boring ang comm.
Talagang hindi boring sa comm. Dahil bukod sa program itself, may mga sinasalihan rin kami activities outside our academics. Communication Students Association, the department-based organization of communication, organizes events for us comm students to have fun and enjoy college life through anniversary rave parties, all while highlighting our talents and skills in events such as the recently concluded Siklab, where comm students held their own theater show. Wait, bubelo lang ako. Because I'm about to exercise my bragging rights. Did you know that Michael Francis R. Morales, the former CSA president, was the 2024 most outstanding university graduate? O diba? Talented na, achievers pa. Ay, ang galing ko! Ang galing ko! Ay. Pal.
And now, Now, we're here sa Newcal to get answers from comm students about their plans after college for 20 pesos. Eto si ate, mukhang taga-comm. Ate, for 20 pesos, ano ang gagawin mo sa diploma mo after college?
Siyempre, papa-frame ko.
Cut natin yung...
Goal ko talaga in the future maging magaling na film director at makagawa ng mga award-winning films. Pero alam mo, bago ako sumakses, kailangan step by the step bago ako sumakses.
Ganon. Sige, bigyan ng 20 yan!
Salamat, Kuya Will!
That's it for the vlog. Thanks for sticking with us until the end.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the idea that communication students and other scholars in arts deserve the same recognition and appreciation as any other college programs.
Mabuhay ang sining!
Mabuhay!
Bye-bye!
Tinuturuan kami ng mga editing software tulad ng Adobe...